Morning class 13 virtual fist pump. How are you? It's Friday. It looks like it's gorgeous outside. It looks like it's going to be gorgeous for the weekend and into next week. What are you going to do this weekend? I know that I've had a couple projects going. A couple weeks ago, I started a painting project outside on my back porch. I got pretty tired of it, bored of it. Does that ever happen to you? And I kind of gave up. Well, it's time that I tackle it again and get it finished. I'm going to work on that. Anything fun that you're doing? Maybe going for a walk. Maybe you have a pool in your backyard. Maybe a trampoline or a swing set. The playgrounds are now open. So maybe that's an option, and hopefully our town pools will be opening soon as well. So after we go through our calendar, we're going to watch Chris make ocean slime. This week, everyone was sent the recipe to make ocean slime to go with our News to You theme this week. So the newspaper is about the Ocean Cleanup, which is a group that inventor Boy Slat started. And the Ocean Cleanup studies the problem of trash in oceans and makes inventions to clean up oceans. And for making the ocean slime, we're going to make it look like the colors of the ocean. And one of the key ingredients is saline solution. And saline solution is what people use to clean and store their contact lenses. The little lenses that they put into their eye if they need to wear glasses. Some people use contact lenses. And that saline solution is salty, just like the ocean. So we're going to see how you can use that to make ocean slime. So that's pretty cool. So watch for Chris's video at the end. Here's our calendar for June. Yesterday, we have circled here the 11th. It was a Thursday, making our way through June. We're going to move our circle over to the number 12, and it's a Friday, June 12th, 2020. So let's find June here. I'm going to go down. It's the 6th month of the year. There's June with the sun. Do you remember what number we said it was? It came after 11. What comes after 11? 12. That's right. And the year is 2020. Yes. Let's look at what yesterday was, today is, and what tomorrow will be. Yesterday on the 11th, what day of the week was it? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday? Yes, it was Thursday. So today is Friday. And tomorrow will be Saturday. That's right. Okay, so we're going to put the months next to the correct number. So there's 12 months in a year. The first month of the year is January. After January comes the second month, February. Comes after February? That's right, March. Then we have April. The 5th month is May. Then we have June. We get into the summer months. The 7th month is July. Comes after July? August. Then September, then October, then we have November, and closing out the year, the last month of the year, month 12, is December. Now, what season are we in? The season is spring, summer, winter, or fall. Yes, we are in spring still. We have a couple more weeks. Now we're going to put the seasons in order. After winter comes what? Spring, fall, or summer? That's right, spring. What comes after spring? Fall or summer? Yes, summer. The flowers start to bud, the sun gets hot, and after summer is fall. Okay, so now we're going to talk about ocean slime. Before we watch Chris do this experiment, what we know is that Boyan Slat is an inventor from the Netherlands. Do you know what country you're from? United States. Boyan Slat started a group called the Ocean Cleanup. The Ocean Cleanup studies the problem of trash in oceans. The Ocean Cleanup makes inventions to clean up oceans. What we can do, we can make slime that looks like the colors of oceans. And that's what we're going to do today. Have fun with this one.
Hi everybody, today we're going to make ocean slime. Ocean slime is part of our theme with the News to You, and everybody is going to get a recipe this week in the mailings. So you'll all be able to make it yourself, but I figured it'd be kind of neat to try. I've never done it before. So the first thing that I want to talk about is solids and liquids. Do you guys know what a solid is? A solid is a firm and stable shape. Like the example is this bowl is solid. And this spoon, this is solid. Now, do you know what liquids are? Liquids are free-flowing substances. Kind of like in this cup I have water. It's free-flowing. And the ocean is water, and that's free-flowing. Even this glue is free-flowing, so that's a liquid. So I'm wondering, what do you think the slime is going to be? A solid or a liquid? Let's see when we'll find out. So the first thing that we have are our materials. We need a bowl. We need baking soda. I have some food coloring here. I'm going to probably mix blue and green. I'll just take those out right now, if I can. We have glue. We need a little bit of saline solution because that's what helps the chemistry in it to make it a slime. We have our cup of water, a spoon to mix it with, and then I'm using a couple of measuring spoons to help me out with the right amount. And after we're all done, you can store it in a baggie. So the first thing we're going to do is take our glue and put it in the bowl. The glue is a liquid. See how it just comes out? Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our water to it. Now we'll stir it up a little bit, try and get it mixed in. As you can see, it's very liquidy right now. It's like milk, but don't drink it. Next thing we're going to add is a little bit of baking soda. Baking soda will help it get a little more solid state and make forms. And we stir it some more. I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda because it's too liquidy for me right now. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring to it so it's not white. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blues. We'll see how this goes. 4 greens. Well, now at least it looks pretty. It's like a mint green. And look, it's still liquidy. So that's where we add in the last ingredient, which is the saline solution. This is supposed to help it bind up also, so it becomes more like slime. I'll start with a tablespoon and see what happens. As I'm stirring it, I'm feeling it get a lot more thick. It's really cool that it does that. And look, it's going away from the side of the bowl. Wow, this is cool. So now I think it's time that I can use my hands and knead it. This is what I mean by kneading it. You want to keep working it with your hands, because the more you work it, the more the reaction of all the ingredients will make it into slime. And if it's too sticky for you, you can add a little more saline solution. I'm going to see about that. Let's see what happens when that happens. Oh, that's better. It doesn't have as much stretch, but it doesn't stick to your hands as much. Alright, so now that we made slime, what do you guys think? Do you think that this is a solid or a liquid? Any guesses? Actually, if you said solid or liquid, you're kind of both right, because it's actually called a non-Newtonian liquid, which means that it acts like a liquid by forming through and going through your fingers, but you can make it into a ball and smack it. And there you go. There's your slime. I hope everybody has a great day. Oh, before I go, sorry about that. When you want to put it away after done playing, the perfect thing to put it in is a baggie. And make sure that it's all zipped up, and then you can play with it another time. Okay, bye.
That was really fun watching Chris make ocean slime. I hope that you're able to do that maybe this weekend. It would be a good activity to do, or just follow along with Chris. So remember, we're meeting today at 11:30 for our Google Meet. Josh will be reading us the story. There was an old lady who swallowed a shell. We've really enjoyed reading these stories together in class. I don't think we've read this shell story yet, which goes along with our water and ocean theme. It's a good sequencing book. Remember, we always try to remember all of the items she swallows in order. And that is really fun. So we're going to do that again today. So see you at 11:30. Have a great weekend. Bye.